Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts, so then we
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we're going to be doing another look here, so if you're interested and saw what you liked and clicked onto this video, I welcome you to just keep watching. And then I'm going to go prime my eyelids using the MAC paint pot. Today we're going to be using the Milani Glided Nude palette. And this one is Do Not Disturb. Go in with and chill this to my outer corner just to darken and add depth. So brush, I feel like this will be easier to dab on. Yeah. And get like more pigment. Kind of prime my eyelids and then start creating like an inner lid. I'm actually going to go in with a smaller blending brush. This is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe GH34, and just kind of blend that out even more. I'm gradually moving the product inwards so it kind of diffuses within, and then I'm going to go in and set that eyelid with like a base color. People watching. Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes. I'm gonna go in with some Qveen cosmetics liner, and I'm gonna create an outer wing and also create a small inner kind of wing, accentuated inner corner. Making the line really thin coming into the inner corner. Going in with some Tarte mascara. This is Maneater, which is by far like one of my favorites. It holds amazing. Urban Decay Naked Skin Corrector in Deep Peach. The Dose of Colors Concealer in Light Medium. Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15, and this one does have sunscreen. I am an NC 30, and I'm just going to be putting this in the back of my hand and start blending. I'm going to go in with some Kat Von D setting powder. So while that's setting, I'm going to start contouring a little bit, and we're going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Omega Coconut Bronzer. And it looks like this. And I'm going to place it with a EVIO brush. This is just one of those it's just a kind of precise brush. I'm going to place it down, but then I'm going to blend it out using a buffing brush by Real Techniques. Dust this under eye now. I'm going to go in with some L'Oreal Hydrofuge Telescopic Mascara. This is in black and it's also waterproof. I'm just going to put this on the lower lashes. I do this so if my eyes did kind of get watery, it doesn't smudge. So I'm going to go in with some magnetic liner over where I already put just liner as like an outline. This is going to hold my magnetic lashes. Alright, to complete the look, I'm just going to take a board meeting. And we're finished.